My name is Almuth Klemm. Who I am. 2021, introducing myself in the first open house with Dr. Shiva. My words. My name is Almuth. The meaning is all courage. To my family, I did question with all courage situations that did not feel right to me. I was heavily silenced. Dr. Shiva's comment, "Welcome, Almuth. It's not going to be happen here." What a strong invitation from me to stay with TruthFredomHealth. Born in 1948, 3 years after World War II, into a pure refugee family. 35 years in this wild jungle city of Bali, capital of Germany, teaching children handicaps and grownups. Next chapter. Political awakening before and with Dr. Shiva. In March 2020, my husband Peter Ruiter and me, coming back from Bali, stepping out of the airplane in the Netherlands, out of the blue, surprised by lockdown restrictions. During the last 15 years, we did set up vision training courses for hundreds of people in Germany. They did learn to improve their eyesight, their health, by self-healing holistic methods. We did have to cancel our vision courses because of mask obligations and 1.50 meters. Instead of working with groups for the health of their eyes, we took part in all kind of protest demonstrations in the Netherlands for the following 3 years. During those demonstrations, we watched people being physically damaged, bitten by military police dogs, demonstrators sitting peaceful on the ground being attacked by water cannons in the middle of winter. Germany, fulfilling lockdown restrictions super strict. I had to realize this can't be my home anymore. I decided to stay in the Netherlands. Dr. Shiva's clear online messages made us follow him regularly. We took steps into his educational program. His informations about health, the science of systems, the 3-pillar message, identifying the not so obvious establishment of the actual politicians in power in the US. This package of new gained knowledge raised our consciousness to identify the political situation in the Netherlands, in Germany, and in Europe. Between all of this, 3 times we did experience blocking our bank accounts. We were not able to move our money out of the blue. It's this killing political pressure we experienced. This is the reason why in 2023 we decided to leave Europe, heading to El Salvador. El Salvador, living on a new continent. Ways of communication. With my husband, spreche ich Deutsch. My husband talking to me, he praat Netherlands with me. With my iPhone and my laptop, I talk English. With 95.95% of the population of El Salvador, yo aprendo y yo practico el español. Dr. Shiva encouraged to another way of communication. It's not necessarily for everyday's use. It's a tool to be used. Here's why. Certain creatures on this earth ball are only to be reached if you talk their language. It is the language they were brought up with. The language of the Hollywood Klemm in 1965. That is the language of our actual politicians worldwide. And guess what? They were brought up in the midst of this Hollywood clans, creating their helping hands worldwide, which we call the not-so-obvious establishment. Let's never forget. They did roll out lockdowns. They let people be killed by injections. They use IA techniques to suppress the world for power profit control. There is every reason to address them with fuck those fucking cocksucking assholes. Fuck those fucking cocksucking assholes. Fuck those fucking cocksucking assholes. My experiencing the support and benefit of TruthFredomHealth in the Netherlands. New chapter. 6 weeks, June, July 2025. Peter's and my working holiday in the Netherlands with time limitations. I like to thank some European TruthFredomHealth friends I really experienced. TruthFredomHealth is about connecting locally. It's about learning, teaching, and serving. Thanks to Michael Griffin. Upgrading my online skills in those little steps I was able to digest. Little steps, yes, because just 2 years ago I started to deal with my first iPhone. Now I'm an iPhone slave just like everybody else. Thanks to Karel Bekvar in the Netherlands, locally present, creating the right atmosphere at the right moment to welcome my new onboard members out of the Netherlands. Karel invited us to his clean, certified food. He did give useful ideas for the better use of my online equipment. He supported me 24/7 whenever needed. Thanks to Olga Sabelkohl, my new onboarded warrior scholar, spending literally 6 days in row together, she teaching me online skills, me bringing her down the pipeline to a warrior scholar. Thanks to my husband Peter Ruiter, taking part in my TruthFredomHealth activities whenever possible, thinking with me or just letting me go while he was busy with urgent private official work with time limitations. My accountable results in the Netherlands, living in a city hotel, performing transport and conversion. 1 warrior scholar. 1 new member. 3 new members out of technical reasons not yet visible in the system. 3. Highly interested people doing first steps into Truth Freedom Health in and around my city hotel. What did I learn? Studying the science of systems did clear up my world. I recognize, I sense, I sniff with high speed who are those speed spreading confusion, lack of knowledge, half knowledge, delayed knowledge. Often this is part of the big plan and done on purpose. I recognize with the snap of a finger those people who do belong to 20% of the Earth's population who are waiting for Dr. Shiva for Truth Freedom Health. I enjoy practicing meaningful talks. All of this in fun is giving me peace in my heart and clearing my mind. Why you should join Truth Freedom Health today? The political need to join for you is now, or it might be too late. Dr. Shiva and his followers did set up the infrastructure to be successful as community worldwide. Start today with Get Off the Plantation. Take on the courses as Warrior Scholar. Here are the solutions which we, the people, are delivering now, independent of big government, of business by universities and big pharma. Become a system health educator, go into war and clean, join Scientists for the Open Science Institute, follow your personal interest. You even can make it your new profession now. Thank you.